Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Pi-hole on home network for private browsing, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a Raspberry Pi or a compatible device ready for setup. Connect your Raspberry Pi to your home network using an Ethernet cable for optimal performance. Power on your Raspberry Pi and wait for it to boot up completely. Open a terminal on your computer or use SSH to connect to your Raspberry Pi. If using SSH, type in the command sshpi at your _pi_ip_ address and press enter. Log in using the default username Pi and password Raspberry, or your personalized credentials. Update your Raspberry Pi's package list by typing sudo apt update and pressing enter. Once the update is complete, type sudo apt upgrade to ensure all software is current. Next, install Pi-hole by entering the command curl //https install.pi-hole.net bash and hit enter. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure Pi-hole. When prompted, choose the network interface that Pi-hole should listen on, typically F0. You will then see a DHCP setup screen. Select yes for the most straightforward installation. Choose the upstream DNS provider you want to use. Options typically include Google, Cloudflare, or OpenDNS. Select the list of ad blocking sources provided in the setup. The default options are usually suitable. During installation, you can set a static IP address for your Raspberry Pi. Make sure to take note of the static IP you assign for future configuration. Complete the setup process by following the remaining prompts until installation finishes. After installation, you will be provided with the Pi-hole admin dashboard URL. Open this URL in your web browser to access the administration interface. Log in using the password displayed at the end of the installation. Once logged in, review the settings and customize filters as per your preferences. To finalize your setup, configure your router to use the Raspberry Pi's IP address. This configuration will ensure that all devices on your network use Pi-hole for DNS queries. Restart your router to apply the new DNS settings and allow devices to reconnect. Check the Pi-hole admin dashboard for statistics to verify it's blocking ads effectively. Congratulations, your Pi-hole is now set up for private browsing on your home network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.